Most visitors come to Beijing looking for the Forbidden City, Tiananmen Square, or the Great Wall. But just beyond the crowd stands a place that tells a different story. A story not of emperors alone, but of merchants, travelers, craftsmen, performers, and ordinary people. Welcome to Qianmen Street, one of the oldest and most historic commercial streets in China. Before we explore the street itself, we need to start here. This is Zhengyangmen, better known as Qianmen or Front Gate. Built in 1419 during the Ming Dynasty, it served as the main southern gate of Beijing's inner city for more than 6 centuries. Standing over 40 meters high, it was the most important gate in Beijing's defensive wall system. This wasn't just a city entrance. It was where imperial processions passed through, where goods entered the capital, and where travelers received their first glimpse of Beijing. Beyond the gate lies Qianmen Street. Today it looks like a beautifully restored pedestrian avenue. But its history goes back more than 570 years. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, this road became one of Beijing's busiest commercial districts. Markets sold cloth, jewelry, food, medicines, and everyday goods. Warehouses lined the area. Theaters entertained crowds, and merchants from across China gathered here to do business. This was where imperial Beijing met ordinary Beijing. North of the gate stood the political heart of the empire. South of the gate was the world of traders, artisans, performers, and daily life. The street you see today is the result of a major restoration project. Historic records, photographs, and traditional architectural styles were used to recreate the atmosphere of Old Beijing. Many buildings now resemble the appearance of the city during the late Qing dynasty and the Republican era of the early 20th century. As you walk here, you'll notice traditional facades, carved wooden details, red lanterns, and old-style signboards. It feels like stepping into a different era. One of the most recognizable sights on Qianmen Street is this vintage tram. Locals call it the DangDang Tram because of the sound its bell makes. The tram is a reminder of the early days of urban transportation in Beijing and adds a nostalgic charm to the street. Watching it glide between historic buildings feels like seeing the past and present travel together. But the real magic begins when you leave the main avenue. Just west of Qianmen lies Dashilar. Many locals consider this area the true heart of Old Beijing. Dashilar is a maze of narrow lanes, hidden courtyards, traditional storefronts, workshops, and hutongs. Unlike grand imperial landmarks, these streets tell the story of everyday people. For centuries, craftsmen worked here, shopkeepers built family businesses here, and generations of Beijingers lived their lives in these alleys. Every turn reveals another piece of Beijing's living history. was never only about commerce. It was also a center of culture. The surrounding district became famous for folk traditions, performances, storytelling, and opera culture. Long before cinemas and smartphones, people came here for entertainment, conversation, and community. Even today, that spirit survives in the atmosphere of the streets. Qianmen changes completely after sunset. As the lights illuminate the gate towers and historic facades, the district takes on a cinematic character. The glowing lanterns, historic architecture, and evening crowds create one of Beijing's most photogenic scenes. By night, it's easy to imagine the merchants, travelers, and residents who walked these same streets hundreds of years ago. Many cities preserve monuments. Few preserve entire stories. Qianmen is more than a shopping street. It is a living connection between imperial China and modern Beijing. A place where ancient gates still stand, where historic alleys still survive, and where the heartbeat of Old Beijing can still be heard beneath the noise of the modern city. This is Qianmen, not just a destination, but a journey through centuries of Beijing's history. The gate behind us tells the story of emperors. The streets ahead tell the story of everyone else. So let's continue our journey through Qianmen and uncover the Beijing that most visitors never see. Every place has a story the world never sees. This is Masked Woman Uncovered. To truly understand Qianmen, you have to experience it on foot. So let's leave the guidebooks behind and continue our walk through the streets, alleys, and hidden corners of Old Beijing.
you.